Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's Quentin 1K back here with another video for y'all. And today we're gonna be doing a mukbang for y'all. Actually, it's gonna be a little Sonic, man, today. So yeah, look at that, y'all. Yeah, hold on. But yeah, we're gonna be hitting some blinkers for y'all today. We're gonna be eating this Sonic. We're about to enjoy some good eats. So let's get it, man. Let me see what these fries talking about. These fries probably, um, I know they're like loaded bacon ranch fries, something like that from Sonic. So we're gonna give it a little taste test. Ooh. Not bad, not bad. I'd say 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10 on the fries. 7 out of 10 on the fries. We're gonna rate the food too as we eat it. Just because. All right. Open this marinara, y'all. Should we go for a blender? I think we should. I'm definitely gonna go in for one. Most definitely. I'm not gonna lie, the food's not really fresh, y'all. I've been sleeping. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I've been tired lately, but I'm gonna start posting videos for y'all. Been doing shorts. I've been doing some shorts for y'all. More content, most definitely, is coming out this month. If I can get to 50 subs in the next, I think it's like, how many days is it from Halloween right now? But I'll have to check. But yeah, if I can get 50 subs before Halloween, we will be doing a stream on Halloween. I'm doing a collab with my twin. He also has a YouTube channel. If y'all want to check him out, it's Nate Stay Faded. If y'all want to go check him out. But yeah, me and him actually did a collab the other day. It was pretty lit. It was pretty lit, chat. Lit. I'm gonna grab me a drink. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Sorry for that. But yeah, y'all comment on this video. What content y'all would like to see? Just shoot out some ideas for me. I'll make it happen for y'all. Yeah, this shit's good. Okay. I woke up, hit the stizzy. I'm telling y'all. See. Man, this thing ain't been wanting to pull for me. Hold on, y'all. There we go. I was like, this thing ain't want to pull for me. I'm going with the rip for y'all real fast, y'all. This shit finna have me fucking. This shit finna give me the money, no cap. This shit look good. Low key. That's gonna be the thumbnail right there. Just getting the thumbnail, y'all. Well, hope y'all having a good day. Every day counts, y'all. You gotta get up and go do something. Y'all gotta go do something. Just do anything. You know what I'm saying? Anything. Get y'all mind on Get your mind off of whatever y'all going through, whatever. If y'all going through anything. If y'all not, then hey, that's good. Good, I'm happy for y'all. Oh, weed. But yeah. But this video will be going up right after this. So, for sure. But yeah. Should be chasing it with the vape and the nicotine, but shit low-key look good. And honestly, I wasn't even really all that hungry, you know. It's really, if it is really just, you know, y'all eating something, smoking at the same time like I'm doing, you know, y'all can enjoy with me. But this video is really to eat with y'all, really to enjoy smoking with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Most people don't have, some people don't have nobody to smoke with. So you can just smoke with me. Might not be there, but shit, I'm right here, shit, smoke with me. You know, you can fucking fade it together, get faded together. Straight up. But, man, I want to go in with this burger though, y'all. Hold on, what is it? Let me see. Should I? I think I should. Actually, not bad. I believe has to be the supersonic cheeseburger right here. So yeah, my old lady got this food, so shit. My old lady got this food, so I don't know exactly what it's called. I believe it's supersonic cheeseburger. These are mozzarella sticks. These are bacon ranch, loaded fries. The loaded fries, them things gas. These things gas, I ain't gonna lie. Let's look at gas, yo. Look at gas. And I keep saying this, y'all. I keep saying, always say, I'm slacking right now, y'all. Always say I'm gonna do something, I don't do it. This and that. That shit stops now. I'm doing a mukbang for y'all right now because that shit stops now. I wanna keep uploading videos, keep doing this shit for y'all, making sure y'all fuck with me. You know what I'm saying? On that level, you know what I mean? Shit, but shit, I gotta keep doing this shit for y'all, man. Because me and my twin, see, she has like 2,000 like something on YouTube, right? And I only got like 40. Okay. So Me and we just, man, we really like that though, for real. I just want y'all, to know, man. And I appreciate the 40 people. I stayed because when this shit really do start to pop off on a real note, the same for the people be right here. Real talk. Real talk. This ain't gonna be too long of a video, y'all, but it is gonna be a little long. These fries are just too good. If y'all ever do go by Sonic, try their loaded bacon ranch fries. Man, y'all. But like I say, I watched this. Y'all, I watched this streamer the other day that I usually watch. Kogi. And whatever he said made me do some dumb ass shit, y'all. No joke. No joke. Low key dumb ass stuff. But we're over that. We gotta move on, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I lost some money, y'all. I was gambling. It's not good. It's not good, so don't not do it. Do not do it. I mean, if you have the money to do it, then you can do it, but don't do it. It's crazy. Let's go on with another rip. Come on, y'all. Oh, yeah. I had to eat this after. Oh, shit. Get you on your head, no cow. But, yeah, y'all, I do, like I said, I do smoking content. I'm gonna be vlogging soon. I'm getting a new light for my YouTube. I'm getting the camera. I'm getting everything I need eventually. But yeah, I really hope y'all been enjoying my shorts lately. Everything I've been posting for y'all. Hope y'all really been enjoying my content a lot. And yeah, it's been your boy Quentin 1K, and y'all make sure y'all hit that sub button. Make sure y'all like this motherfucking video, and we fucking out. Let's go.